Hey, if you somebody that's been in the front, that's been off, like you been off, and you ain't really been acting like yourself, or you been acting like your old self has been coming back, you just been having like weird feelings, cloudiness, you can't focus, like a bunch of shit like that, man, this video for you. Cause I feel you. I don't know about you, but the last 2 weeks been harder than a mug, and I don't even know why. And it's more so mental and spiritual more than anything. So it's like, man, the fuck going on? I know me personally, it's like, man, I be so sharp. I be like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I be sharp. I know what I want. I get shit done. I got clear mindedness, clear path, like a whole bunch of energy. And you know what I'm saying? I stay disciplined. Like when I stay disciplined what I eat, what I do, you know what I'm saying? Like the sex, all that. You know what I'm saying? So I stay disciplined for the most part to get what I want. But at the end of the day, these last 2 weeks, I don't know what the fuck been going on spiritually, man. And then apparently I ain't the only one that's been going through it because I posted it on my IG. And on my IG, there's other people that like, man, I feel you. You just came at the right time because it's the same thing for me. I've been off, but I've been getting down on myself for this, that, and the third. Like, look, I'm here to tell you at the end of the day, if you feel off or stuck or whatever, like, bruh, it is what it is. Go through those motions. Just get through it. You know what I'm saying? You get into those emotions, just get through it. Don't stay stuck in it. We stay stuck in it, that's just like, oh, woe is me, or what am I doing, or this, that, and the third. Like, you know what I'm saying? Staying stuck in it, staying stuck in it. But to get out of it, you gotta you gotta do your shadow work. Obviously, it's something bothering you, like with your shadow work within yourself that you need to fix, that you need to figure out, that you need to heal. Get yourself a hug, whatever the fuck you need. You get what I'm saying? Whatever it is to help you graduate from the feeling that you got now. So yeah, you gotta do that. You gotta keep going with progressive stuff. Like in those 2 weeks, bro. Like I wasn't in the gym as much. I won't eating the best like I usually do. Um, Again, I won't working out, and then I'm over here drinking and I'm going out. Da da da. I'm usually like, ain't nothing wrong with that shit, but like it's just weird because it's kind of like the old me and not the new me. The old me, those was shit that I was doing before, not now. You know what I'm saying? And I'm wondering why I feel some type of way this and the third. Like, look, in the world, man, and be in the physical world, but the world is very spiritual as well. You know what I'm saying? You could just be going through a spiritual experience yourself, or God is putting you through spiritual training, or He allows the devil and enemy, whatever, to, you know what I'm saying, give you those quote unquote attacks and let you fight that off and win, like whatever it is, or just whether it's just a bunch of reasons. It's spiritual. Everything's always spiritual too, which is fine. You know what I'm saying? But don't be hard on yourself. Give yourself grace. And I don't mean give yourself grace by just keep doing the bullshit. I mean, just get through it. Don't stay stuck in this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, even if you're going through it and you still gonna do it tonight, we still gonna do it tomorrow. Just make sure you get through it. Make sure you learn it throughout the process. Make sure you're not beating yourself up. Make sure you making your plans, your next plans, and your next step. Like use this as motivation to go harder than ever before. What I mean by go harder than ever before, it's like everything ain't just one thing. Everything, you know what I'm saying? Is in. Hold on. Let me run it back. Life ain't just straight this and straight that. Like ain't straight up and ain't just straight this way. It's up and down. You get what I'm saying? So when you in those downs, man, you gotta stay up. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't stay stuck in where you at, cause you'll be stuck there forever. You get what I'm saying? If you're going through hell, why stop? I think Steve Harvey said that. But yeah, I know for me personally, it wasn't even like bad. It was just heavy, heavier than a motherfucker. And like I just felt like I just had so much of my mind and my spirit that I guess I needed to cleanse. And that's something else I'm about to do. That's another way to get out of what you do, is make sure you do cleanses. Like cleanses like meditation, cleanses like getting near the water or getting in nature, cleanses like, you know what I'm saying, staying away from technology, social media, all that type stuff. So those is ways to help get you out that funk. Workout, you know what I'm saying? Because when you stop doing those, when you allow those feelings to help you stop doing those positive things that got you up out of that, then that's how you could revert back. But again, it's okay. It's just realize when you win it. You know what I'm saying? Don't stay stuck in it. Don't allow this shit to happen for a long time and months and you know what I'm saying? Don't messing up or slow down your own progress. You don't want to be in your own way, but we all human. So if you can take that time to relax or take that time to figure it out or think or you know what I'm saying, like not bullshit, but just like relax and really analyze what's going on, what you feeling, why you feeling like this, like, um, and just whatever you learn, you just take it and move it forward, and make and let this you be and let this be the reason why you go harder next time. And that's what I was saying before. Go harder the next time. You always use those low moments as motivation to go up higher than before, or is you just gonna be in a repeated cycle, repeated pattern? Like, nah, man, you want to keep soaring as much as you can, as high as you can, for as long as you can. You get what I'm saying? So use that as motivation. Maybe you ain't had the same motivation. Maybe you was getting bored. Maybe you was getting tired. Everything was becoming redundant. You know what I'm saying? But now it ain't no more because you done, you know what I'm saying? You done reverted back. So now you got to get back to it. But don't get back on the old shit, man. Use this to go heavier. And I'll give you an example. So, like, even with, like, working out, like, I could go hard working out for months straight, um, multiple times a week and shit. And then I take a long break, just like I did. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm coming back. I was like, damn, I'm gonna be weak as fuck. And my next I'm gonna be weak as fuck in my next workout. Then I go in that bitch. I'm stronger than I was last time. You know what I'm saying? Cause my body got the rest that it needed. You know, and then it was able to grow. My muscles and strength was able to grow. And I come back in there, you know what I'm saying? I'm pushing the shit out that way. And that's the same thing in life. Anytime you get that sit down, you always come out with a master plan, going with a routine, just more confident. Like, that's how you supposed to do it. Like, anytime you come back better than ever before. You get what I'm saying? And it ain't gotta be loud, but the results will be sooner than later. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, man, you gotta keep grinding, keep going through those feelings, cause those feelings come as those moments happens. Those I don't even want to say chapter, not a whole chapter, but just like it happens, bro, and it is what it is. I just don't want you beating yourself up and getting in depression and this, then a third, or thinking that it's over and that you can't go back. You know what I'm saying? So it's stuff like that. That's just not true. So yeah, I'm just here to tell you keep going, shit. Cause I was just in it. It just want a good feeling, man. Like even like little, I'm not an insecure person at all, but even little insecurities and not even in a bad way, but it's just like past traumas in a way. You get what I'm saying? They come leaking back up. Whatever it is, man. But those shits happen. Looking at you now, you like, man, what the fuck am I doing? It happens. Where you be like, damn, I ain't want to be. It happens. But those are the times where it's like, hold on. Let me not be like, why am I not in a bigger house when I got a roof over my head right now? Oh, I wanted another car. This car been breaking down. That car still work. Even if it's barely, the bitch still work. You hear me? Like, that's something to be appreciative about. Like, you breathing, you can smell, you can walk, you can touch, you can feel, you can see, you can hear. All that's a blessing. You know what I'm saying? So you just really gotta sit in those times and really appreciate, because appreciation is of the highest frequency, and it will dominate the other frequencies that's been bothering you lately. So, and it might not happen. It's not gonna happen. Well, it can happen. It's not just gonna happen in a moment, but it might take a week or two. You know what I'm saying, or a couple days to get it. But through those days, like, don't be too down on yourself. Do what you need to do, but also stay productive. Keep doing positive shit. Still do what you need to do, even if it wasn't at the magnitude you was doing that before or what you about to. Just keep at it a little more so you can get yourself up out of that. Keep climbing them stairs, keep climbing that mountain. So, you know what I'm saying, you off of that level. And yeah, you back good. But when you back good, and it's just, I can't explain it. Like when you just hit a comeback, you know, when you hit a comeback, nigga, like it's a whole different energy. You feel like a whole different you. You feel like, oh, I got shit to catch up on. You know what I'm saying? Or it's like, hold on, man, the world been playing with me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, you just get this attitude and this confidence. Like, yeah, like, fuck the world. This me. I'm him. I'm her. I'm here. So, yeah, that's why I was here. That's why I can't tell you, man. I told IG, but it's like, I gotta tell y'all too, man. We on this spiritual journey together, man. This shit ain't, and it's crazy when how I could feel something or feel some kind of way right now, and then you feel the same way. Like for the longest, I thought I was by myself in this, cause I'm just like, I mean, everybody else seemed good around me. Why the fuck, out of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? For that, I'm getting all this feeling, and then I see a video, a creator that don't even make videos like this, and he made, I think his name Ashton. He made a video, um, talking about, man, he fell out of whack and he about to switch it up a little bit, still give people what they want, but he about to switch it up for his mental health. I was like, oh, you know what I'm saying? I ain't never seen a video like that before from him before. He Ashton, he talking about ebooks and business and shit like that. So when I seen that, I was like, oh. And then when I posted my video, oh no, you know what? I met with somebody and they was telling me what they was going through, and they was really going through some real shit. I'm just like, damn, like, you know what I'm saying? So everybody going through something, damn. I post my shit, and then I got a whole bunch of people talking about, man, I was going, so we be going through the same shit. Like, we all got different experiences, different things going on. Maybe some of the same, but everybody go through something, and it's just crazy when it's the same time when you thought you was alone. So the whole time you're not alone. It's just everybody's going through their tests right now, and whoever grow up out of that shit, graduate, and whoever stay stuck there. It's just like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody passing their tests or failing. But yeah, I'm passing this shit. I'm passing mine. I'm past that actually. I'm good now, and it just feel like day one. Day one, all right, I'm out back out here. Let me, you know what I'm saying? I ain't rushing to nothing heavy. I thought I was gonna have so much things done. I got ebooks coming out, a whole bunch of stuff that I thought it was gonna be done by now, but it wasn't because of these last couple of weeks. And that's another thing too. When you doing the right thing, bro, when you doing the right thing and you on to something bigger that you really building, that's when the attacks happen. You know what I'm saying? I don't even like to say attacks because that just sound, but you get what I mean? Like, that's when shit start coming up to you, even if it's just a feeling in your mental, your spirit or some shit like that. Because one, you could say the enemy, of course, because they don't want you to do what you want. They don't want you to do um, what you're supposed to do. They want you to be on some bullshit and not progressing. But two, honestly, you ain't ready. So you ain't ready. It's shit. That just shows you that you're not as ready as you thought you was, because it's still some shadow work that you need to do, some healing that you need to do. You need to restructure whatever you doing, restructuring your thinking pattern. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like it reveals shit and it kind of destroys shit, so you can rebuild it into what it's supposed to be, which is a lot better. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so don't look at these times as whatever. Don't look at yourself no type of way. It just is what it is, man. Fuck it. Like, just make sure you get up out of it and come back better. That's all I'm saying, man. More spiritual.